With more than 20 sales offices and 5 factories, JOUDER delivers all the mold and die parts you need to your requested locations without delay. Our pressed die components are used by the largest manufacturers in the automotive components industry. Our clients trust JOUDER more than others when they ask for quality components to support their customers. We understand short lead times are vital to our customers. Our high-efficiency production management procedures ensure the on-time delivery of our products. In order to provide high-quality products, we manufacture more than 90% of our components in-house. We also invest in a wide range of imported machines to help deliver precision and quality to our customers. Our production facilities make JOUDER the leader in this industry. We have our own heat treatment facilities, so we control our quality from the very beginning of manufacturing. We have also invested in 3D product mapping facilities to aid our customers in rapidly transforming products into 3D designs ready for production, reducing the time to market for these products. We maintain a large inventory of semi-finished components, so we can fulfill orders more rapidly without having to wait for raw material processing. JOUDER is trusted by 2 global leading brands in the pressed die components industry to be their exclusive dealer and distributor in the China market.